Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. In the last class, we completed our story. Do you remember? Do you like our story? Okay, in the last class, I told you find out the answers or side question. I think all of you write the answers in your notebook. Did you write? Okay, I will send the correct answers in your WhatsApp group. Everybody compare your answer with that answer. If the answer is wrong, everybody write the correct answer. Okay. Now, let us move on to our activities. We already completed our first activity. Now, all of you take your textbook. Take page number 20. Take textbook and a pencil. Take page number 20. Activity 2. Activity 2. In this page, you can see many pictures. 5 pictures are there. Our question, look at the pictures given below and fill in the boxes suitably. Look at the first picture. Who are they? Raja and his grandfather. Grandfather's dialogues are given in the box, but Raja's box is blank. Our activity is to fill in the boxes suitably. What is grandfather's dialogue? Hey crazy boy, I will teach you a lesson. That is grandfather's words. So, what is our Raja doing? He is shaking the sandalwood tree. Grandfather is very angry. So, what is our Raja's dialogue? What is Raja saying? Raja is shaking the tree. He wants to play. So, he said, rain, rain, come again. Little boy wants to play. All of you write the Raja's words in that box. Take your pencil and write Raja's words. Rain, rain, come again. Little boy wants to play. Rain, rain, come again. Little boy wants to play. Okay. Everybody write Raja's words in that box. Look at the second picture. What did you see in this picture? Raja is running. Grandfather fallen down. In this picture, grandfather's box is filled here. Grandfather's dialogue is given here. Oh, help me, I have broken my legs. But Raja box is blank. What did Raja say? Get me if you can. Get me if you can. Look at the third picture. What did you see in the third picture? Raja is on the loft of the cowshed. Cow's dialogues are given here. What is the boy doing there? What is Raja's dialogue? Shh, don't make noise. Shh, S-S-S-H-H. Shh, don't make noise. Fourth picture. What did you see in the fourth picture? People are gathered there. They make various comments. In the first box, what did the people saying? Poor boy. Where is he? Poor boy. Where is he? The next box. He is afraid of his grandfather. He is afraid of his grandfather. The fifth picture. What did you see in the fifth picture? Grandfather is praying. Raja is standing behind him. Grandfather words. What is grandfather words? God, help me. Give me my child back. God, help me. Give me my child back. Okay. What is Raja's words? Poor grandfather. He is still praying for me. Poor grandfather. He is still praying for me. Will he be angry? Will he be angry? Okay. These are the answers of these 5 pictures. Okay. Now everybody take next page. Let us complete the following events. Based on our 5 pictures, let us complete the following events. That is our question. In the 5th standard, we studied how to write a script. How to write a script, how to change our story into a skit, etc. Now we are going to change our story in the form of a skit. Before that, we want to write script of the story. Script of the story. So, our story is divided into 5 events. 5 events. The first event is given in our textbook. All other events we want to write in our textbook. So, what is our first event? Based on our pictures, the story is divided into 5 events. These events are given in our textbook. These events of pictures. So, based on the pictures, we want to write a events. Event number 1. What is the event number 1? What is our picture? Raja shake the sandalwood tree. Raindrops fallen down. The event number 1 is given our textbook. Raja shake the sandalwood tree. Raindrops shower on him and his grandfather. That is given in our textbook. So, we want to write event number 2. What is our picture? Grandfather stumbled and fell down. Raja is running. So, what is our event number 2? Everybody write in your textbook. Grandfather gets angry and runs after Raja. He stumbles and falls. Grandfather gets angry and runs after Raja. He stumbles and falls. Okay, next event number 3. Event number 3. What is event number 3? What is our picture? Raja is on the loft of the cowshed. So, now everybody write. Raja hides in the loft of the cowshed. Raja hides in the loft of the cowshed. He observes everything happening at home. He observes everything happening our home. Fourth event is given in our textbook. People make various comments about Raja's disappearance. People make various comments about Raja's disappearance. Now move on to event number 5. What is event number 5? What is our picture? Grandfather prays to God. Grandfather prays to God. Right, everybody write in your textbook. Grandfather prays to God. When he opened his eyes, he sees. When he opened his eyes, he sees Raja is standing in front of him. When he opened his eyes, he sees Raja is standing in front of him. These are the 5 events of our story. I think all of you write it in your textbook. Now, based on this event, let us elaborate our each events. We want to write the script of the story. The script of first event is given in your textbook. Event number 1 is given in your textbook. So, everybody read the script of event number 1. Event number 1. The stage is decorated with flowers and trees. Raja, 10-year boy, enters from the left side of the stage. Raja, oh lovely flowers, big trees, once again, I have come here to see you. Where are you, my friends? My pretty butterflies, my sweet calf. Raja sees his grandfather standing under the tree, picking flowers from the jasmine bush. Raja, to himself, what are you doing there under the tree? Grandfather, all the flowers have fallen. I must collect them soon. Raja, I want to have a good shower. Oh tree, give me rain, give me rain. Raja shake the tree and raindrop shower on grandfather. Grandfather gets angry. Raja hides behind the tree. Grandfather, you crazy boy, I will teach you a lesson. That is the script of first event. So, our question, based on these events, elaborate our events. Write the script of remaining events. It is our work. You can see in this event number 1, stage directions are here. Dialogues are given here. Raja's thoughts are given here. Stage direction and Raja's thoughts are right in the brackets. So everybody go through the event number 1 and write the script of remaining events. Okay. It is your duty. It is your work. So everybody try to write the script of the remaining events. Before that, we want to check what are the things needed a script. These are the main things needed in a script. First one, I fix the main events of the story before writing script. I mention the places where each event had taken place. I include suitable characters for each event. I wrote suitable dialogues for different situations. I mentioned the entry and exit position and movements and action of each character. I mentioned the properties and costume in the script. So these are the things needed in a script. First, fix the main events. We already do that thing. Mention the place where each event takes place. That is stage direction. Include suitable characters. Wrote suitable dialogue. Mention the entry and exit position of each characters. mention the properties and costume. You understand? First, all of you write the script of first event in your notebook. Then, write the script of remaining events. Okay, all of you write the script in your notebook. Okay. So, now I wind up my class. Okay, thank you.